Hello, it is Sunday afternoon. Irene has come through, and she has, done some damage in my county. So, I'm just going to show you what she did to my property here. Just going to gingerly walk over here. My mom told me that, part of my fence came down, and yeah, I see that. Ooh, look at that. So what I'm going to have to do is find out whether or not this is my fence or my neighbor's fence. And if it's my fence, I'll have to call my insurance company and see if they can help me rebuild it. And I think she said there was another section where the fence came down too. So I guess I'll know it when ooh, yeah. Oh, mercy, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, Irene did a little bit of destruction there, but I'm very lucky that my house is still standing. It's still in one piece. There is no damage done to my house. I only have one tree in my front yard, and that didn't come toppling down. And I managed to keep my power running throughout during the storm. I'm very, very, very lucky, and no, I am not bragging. Please don't think that I'm bragging, because this is something to be extremely thankful for. And back up, Yogi. Don't want you out there, honey. Don't want you out there cutting yourself. That's a good boy. I'm here, honey. Yes, Mommy's here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Mama's here, sugar. Oh. So anyway, yeah, this is Yogi. He was, Mommy. It's okay, honey. But that's basically what happened with Irene. And oh, good, you're here too, Snuffy. Good. Good boys. Very good boys. Yes. Mommy's glad you two listened to her. You two listened to her and didn't go outside. Very good, kitty. So anyway, yeah, that's basically the gist of it all. My county's a mess in general. There's a lot of down trees, down power lines everywhere, and it is just a total mess out there. And I pray that God may, if anybody who's still in the path of the storm, I pray that God may keep you all safe. And if you've lost your home and or family members, I pray that God may bring love and comfort to you, because it's hard to get your home. It's hard to replace your home and all the valuables that came with that. I really deeply sympathize with you on that one, but all my family's okay. All my other families lost their power, so I told them they can all come over to my house if they need a hot shower or if they want a hot meal, etc. So, thank you all so much for all your love, all your prayers, all your thoughtfulness. But Irene's gone. She's in our history books now. It's just going to take a couple weeks for us to clean up everything around here. But we're hoping this week will be much better one, and no more disasters, we hope. So, Yogi, Snuffy, and I, we all love you very much. Thank you all. Mwah. Bye.